नमस्कार, मैं दिल्ली से गुलशन पहुजा। जैसा कि आप जानते हैं कि हमारी कोशिश हो रही है कि देश की सभी अदालतों के अंदर ऑडियो वीडियो रिकॉर्डिंग होनी चाहिए, कोर्ट प्रोसीडिंग होनी चाहिए। उसके जो भी बेनिफिट लॉसेस हैं उसके लिए आज हम 30 तारीख कोर्ट के अंदर खड़े हुए हैं। आज हमारे साथ हैं एडवोकेट श्री
Sachin Pava, I'm Supreme Court practitioner. I started my practice from here. I'm practicing since 2008. So my practice mother court was at that time it was the mother court of my practice, and I started my practice, I want to say, from 30 Hajari. Yes.
सर, इसके अंदर से कहने में से बहुत सारे फैक्टर होते हैं, जजेस, एडवोकेट्स, लिटिगेंट्स, जस्टिस, कोर्ट एम्प्लॉइज़। तो हर एक के लिए सर इसके ट्रांसपेरेंसी आएगी, अकाउंटेबिलिटी बढ़ेगी, क्या होगा, उसके क्या क्या बेनिफिट, क्या क्या लॉसेस हैं जस्टिस के हिसाब से भी और बाकी सबके हिसाब से भी।
So about the audio video recording, is very good benefit the people can get. This is a one point that you just transfer from the decision what they are giving and what is happening in the court. That is a good benefit to the other people, civilians. Those are fighting for the justice here in these courts, because so many cases are pending here in this through the nation, I will say, not even in 30 Hajari, in Delhi, in Karkatduma, in Rohini and Karkatduma and Dwarka court, even in Supreme Court. Supreme Court is a very fast trial, because there is a link, because former honorable Chief Justice of India, Mr. D.Y. Chandrachud, has given the live streaming live cases on the YouTube. And this is a big why they give, then people can transparent with the process what is happening in the court is not involved in with any government. Court is independent, give the even own decision from all liberty, from all judicial power. Court is not involved in the court. This is the main thing that people have to know about this. People think that court is involved with the government. This is wrong. Court is involved in their power, not involved in government. I will speak again and again, because the other governments, though are opposite in opposition parties, is saying that court is involved in the judicial proceeding. Government is involved in judicial proceeding, and government is just hacked to the court, and the government whatever decision just give the direction to the court, then court pass the direction. This is a wrong. Court is the inherent power. Court is not involved in the government, and government is not involved in the court proceeding. Court is independent. One more thing, if you will just hear and watch to the live proceeding of the courts, then you will come to know that what is happening in the court. Main thing, because you will come to know that advocates is not doing wrong. Advocate is doing doing whatever is doing for your benefit, because in the mind of these people, this is a set that advocate is taking the money for rate wise. No, advocate is doing hard work for you, for the single penny, for the 1500 2000 that advocate charge, even whatever is fees. This is a personal matter of the advocates, that they just for this money they took whole just your attention of the case, because you are free when you are paying to the advocates just something and something money fees, date wise, or even in bulk money, whatever you decided, when you will just share the file, everything, facts of the case. This is one more thing, that yes, this it should be the transparent. I want to say the court proceeding should be the transparent. It should be the live. not mostly one case, just for the many case it should
Each
be the
and every
transparent. Each and everything should be the transparent to the public what is happening in the court. That is the goal, and advocate is doing for your benefit. I will speak again, because advocate is doing for your benefits. They are fighting for your right, not involved with any government, not involved in any court with the any judge, any justice. They are doing what is for fighting for what is your for justice. They read, and even he cannot sleep better while you are sharing with the file. He always just think about your facts and everything, because he is doing your hard working for you advocate. And judges is also, because judges is also sleepless, because burden of the work too much. And one more thing, in Honorable Supreme Court, I am practicing in Supreme Court. I am very expert there in Supreme Court. My name is, I will explain like Sachin Pahwa, that there is a staff should be the increases for making the fast proceeding of the Supreme Court. There is a very less staff in e-filing, even in physical filing, even in if you are going to remove the defect, there is a very less staff, because staff is also just also suffer to the workload, burden of the work, because it should be the just increase, staff should be the increase everywhere, even in high court, because audio and video recording should be the kept before the peoples of the, in front of the people of the India or the nation or the worldwide. It should be the happen. This is a benefit of the video recording of the court proceedings. That is a benefit. Anything else? Any question?
जैसे कि आप जानते हैं, हम इस टाइम दिल्ली के अंदर खड़े हैं। दिल्ली पूरा देश तो नहीं है, देश के अंदर करीबन 682 डिस्ट्रिक्ट हैं और 17,000 कोर्ट्स हैं, जहाँ पर कोई सिंगल बेंच भी बैठती है, सिंगल जज भी बैठते हैं, आदिवासी एरिया भी हैं, गांव खेड़े के लोग भी हैं। तो उनके लिए सर कितना बेनिफिट रहेगा, क्योंकि वो लिखना पढ़ना नहीं जानते, पर कहना और सुनना जानते हैं। तो कहने सुनने के अंदर का रिकॉर्डिंग इज द बेस्ट टूल। तो उनके सबसे कितना फ़र्क पड़ेगा?
One more thing, our noble former Chief Justice of India Chandrachud make the languages in every religion. They make the many language of the decision verdict should be the uploaded. That is the thing. And one more thing, that Chief Justice of India, former Chief Justice of India, he was very intelligent. He did that every language, that verdict and decision should be the available in every language. They make the portal for the peoples. And this is a question he asked me, that how the people will come to know, because they are illiterate. This is a question. This is a very important question. Proceeding should be come in Hindi. Proceeding should be come in Hindi, because Hindi is our regional language, and this is a mother language, Hindi, in India, mostly in India. And English is the universal language. In English, the people don't know the English. How can they come to know that this what is going on in the court? If you will come in Hindi, that is the better, because illiterate person, poor person can those are not educated can understand what is happening, and this should be the court proceeding should be, and should be in Hindi. Even sir, if you are passing, if you are giving pleadings and drafting in English, that is doesn't matter. This is the benefit of the advocates. You cannot change to this. You can change, just you just speak in Hindi, then and do the live to the video recording and everything of the proceeding the court. Then poor people can understand that what is happening in the court, and even those people know English, then they know the Hindi as well, because Hindi is a mother language. Because they so don't make the English, just make the Hindi language. That if you are doing something in court, passing order and everything, argument should be the Hindi. That should be the good. Then Supreme Court, Noble Supreme Court also give the benefit to the litigant. Those are directly coming without an advocate. I see there the people spoke in Hindi, they argue in Hindi, and a noble justice also just guide to them. They also speak in Hindi, because a noble Supreme Court having the many judges, those are in different belongs to the different states, and mostly judges, justice, noble justice know the Hindi. I see there. Thank you. Anything else, sir?
थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू, शुक्रिया।
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.